guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy, and welcome to another hotel review. So today's video is about Intercontinental ANA in Tokyo. Actually, it's ANA Intercontinental. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my stay with ANA Intercontinental Tokyo. Unfortunately, this is not a thorough experience with ANA Intercontinental. We just stayed there for one night, and we got an early flight the next day, the following day. So we didn't have time to have the breakfast there. We arrived there quite late, around 5:20. It's not a very complete experience, but still we're gonna show you the check-in experience, then the room tour, and my favorite part, Club Intercontinental at this hotel. I will give you guys a quick summary before we move on to the main video of room tour and the club tour. I would like to say the highlights. I probably have already mentioned that the highlight of this hotel is the Club Intercontinental. So far, I believe this is the best intercontinental club I've ever gone to. So I really love it. They got a superb food quality, a lot of options, and the service is just so good. Very spacious and a very good street view as well. Yeah, this probably gonna be I think is the biggest highlight I really wanna point out. Make sure you just watch this entire video because the club session is gonna be at the end of this video. And another one I think is also quite good is the location of this hotel. Even though it took us about, I think, almost 1 hour from the airport to this hotel, we went there by train, but it's quite convenient. Once we got out of the station, we just walked to the hotel with less than 5 minutes. Lowlights, I would say this hotel is a bit old, a little bit tired. I don't think there's too much to complain. I will just give you a quick summary on membership benefits. As a Diamond Ambassador, our room has been upgraded. We've received 600 credit points and we got complimentary breakfast, but as I said, we didn't have time to enjoy that. We've got $20 credit. We've used that in the minibar session. We've got access to the club, Intercontinental Club, which is really good. This is my favorite part, and just because of this part, I really wanted to go back to this hotel again in the future. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you think this video is useful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Every Friday I'm gonna upload a hotel review video to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're interested in this topic. Yeah, now let's get started. Thank you. Now I'm currently at Tokyo. Let's get off the train station, a little bit walk. So tonight we're going to stay with Intercontinental ANA. We are almost there. Okay, we're on the street now. So from the train station to the exit, it took us about 3 minutes walk, not too far away. So it is really close. So this is the Intercontinental ANA in Tokyo. So it's really close to the station. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your support. Now let's get started. I believe this is the breakfast buffet area. Unfortunately, because we have an early flight tomorrow morning, so we are not able to have the breakfast here. Here we are, ANA Intercontinental Tokyo. This is our room. Most of the hotels in Tokyo has a relatively small room. So this is really good by looking at it. Very good point, because on this side we've got a bench here to put our own stuff here, and a mirror just over the top. It is actually our toilet, our bathroom. It is not very big compared to other intercontinental hotels, but it is quite big in Tokyo already. This is the bathtub, and all those toiletries are from Byredo. So the bathtub and the shower room are in a they are combined into one. This is our favorite Japanese toilet. They have so many brands, but basically they have all those functions, the shower, bidet. So here we got a lot of toiletries. Oh, even with a comb. This is a very big comb, a shaver, and 2 dental kits, and hand wash body lotion on this side. Down here we've got this hair dryer and some bath towels. Right, let me open this closet. We've got some clothes hangers. Wow, this is funny. Japanese traditional foot massager. How can I use this one though? Do we just put our foot on this one, on this bamboo, then we can massage our foot? I don't know, I haven't tried that before. 2 pairs of slippers. And we've still got another full-length mirror. Complimentary water, and this is the minibar menu. And this is lovely. This is a teapot. Very heavy. And 2 teacups here. Cute. We've got all those drinks and some complimentary coffee, instant coffee, some tea bags right here, sugar, and some snacks on the other side. Got 2 coffee mugs and 2 spoons inside it. This is the mini fridge. So the mini fridge is stocked but not very full though. Got some beers and drinks over that side. And here we got a Panasonic TV, remote control right here. A in-room safe just in the door. The first door, wow, this is very organized, and I think this is the Japanese style robe. Yeah, this is very cute. I want to try them on. Yeah, later on, just put on the bed. And here is our working desk. So the working desk is quite simple, but we still got another mirror here and some in-room dining menu on this table. Then on this side is our king bed. This bed is really big actually. I think it's like wider than normal king bed. And here is the side table. Just wanna show you some details. So on this side table, we've got some sockets here, charging socket. And here is the switch panel. It's on this side table. It's really small, but we've got everything here. And on the other side, yeah, we got a switch right here, and here is the panel. And 2 charging sockets right here, telephone. And on this side we've got a couch and a footrest right here, a side table. And here's, wow, I think that is Tokyo Tower. It is so beautiful, isn't it? That is Tokyo Tower, guys. I can't believe it. This is such a good view, really. And it's very quiet. And we are on level 21, far away from the street, but still can see the cars downstairs, the traffic.